Welcome to Tiny Calm Learners. Today we are learning the letter A. This is the capital letter A. This is the small letter A. Listen to the sound of A. A says Repeat with me. Ah. Now let's see some words that start with A. A for apple. Apple is red and juicy. Apple. A for ant. The ant is tiny and walks fast. Ant. A for alligator. The alligator lives in a water. Alligator. Let's practice again. A says apple. A says ant. A says alligator. Great job! Now you know the letter A and its sound. See you in the next letter learning video.